FL Studio tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can use FL Studio. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here you can see I'm on their website flstudio.com or imageline.com, at least that's the website. Here you can go ahead and download the FL Studio. FL Studio is a audio software that a lot of music industry people use. You can see right here, download the FL Studio for free. We're going to download it for Windows, and once it's downloaded we should be good to go. So here you go, welcome to FL Studio. So we're going to click on agree and install the application. Here you have some options. You can go ahead and go with full program, only program, and plugins, or whatever you want, right? Custom is going to allow you to choose what you want. So once we click on next, it's going to require you to have this much space available. So then click on next and install the application. And there you go. Now it's going to go ahead and install. So I'm going to pause this video right here and catch you guys in a sec. And once it's installed, click on the next button and click on next and finish the setup. There we go. Now I'll just go ahead and open it up. And here we go. So this is how it looks like. Over here, you can see you can get started with over here. Over here, you can start the free trial, unlock it, and continue without an account, right? So we'll click over here and click over there. And this is like what's new, and start a new project over here. You can create a chord progression, default basics, record on audio, empty rock, everything, right? So we'll close that as of right now, and let's take a look at the overall overview. So over here, I believe this is the options right here. So here you have your tracks. So you've got insert one. These are all going to be your tracks, right? Over here, you can move this entire window around where you want to move it to. You've got this master volume button over here. So if you, let me just click on it. How do I, there you go. So you click on it and drag your mouse up and down, and you can increase the volume. You can see right here, it looks pretty cool. And here you've got your insert button. If you click over here, you can go ahead and move things around. Got the soundboard over here, or channel track, sorry. So I don't know how to, so these are your channel tracks over here. You can see right here, everything opens up pretty nicely. You can even move things around. So yeah, let me just actually, oh, sorry, move this right here so that we have a little bit more space. There we go. So over here at the top, you've got your record button. So recording over here, would you like to record? Record audio into the Edison audio into the playlist, notes and automations, everything, right? So that's going to be your recording. You can increase and decrease the duration by clicking over here, and then you can move the mouse up and down and you can increase it. The tempo, sorry, that's not the record duration, that's the tempo. I just thought that was here. You've got the patterns over here. So if you want to create a new pattern, click over here onto this button and you can create a new pattern number 2. So here you've basically got your main options, right? So here you can see you can paste stuff to different tracks, and then you can move things around. And then if you want to edit them, double click on that little pattern. You can add these voice notes over here. You can add these little button noises over here. That I accidentally started the pause button and it started to record it. Let me stop this right here. Yeah, there we go. So it's now stopped. But yeah, you can move this around. You can add these little beats onto different, these bars. Sorry about that. And then when you play it, right, you're good to go. You can even go ahead and like copy them, or move this around. And to delete them, just simply right click over here and you can go ahead and delete and all of them. So overall it looks pretty smooth, not gonna lie. So if I just do this on a random, that kind of sounds pretty cool, not gonna lie. That sounds pretty clean. But yeah, this is over here. You can add that and then you can close this, right? You've got that over here. There's going to be patterns, right? So let me just go ahead and remove these patterns, and you can easily create more patterns over here. So this is going to be pattern number 1, right? And in pattern number 1, over here, you've got your, obviously you've got your soundboard, but let me, oh, where did it go? Open it up. Let me actually move this a little bit bigger and see how it looks like. But yeah, here you've got your piano roll, right? This is 8 kicks and this is clap. You can have different, beats over here. This is hi-hat. And here you've got snare. So if I were to paste it, you can see right here, if I click over here onto this button, I can paste it, but if I click on this mouse button, we'll just do that. And also I can increase the size as well. So over here, and then what if we wanted to go like even, deeper, and we can even go up as well. Sorry, let me move that over here. There we go. Kind of sounds weird, but let's see how it looks like. I have no idea how I did that, but it kind of sounds pretty nice, not gonna lie. But yeah, you can create different tracks over here. So currently, we've got this track number 2 or 3 unactive or deactivated, and you can deactivate and activate them by just simply clicking on this green button. Green button means they're active. If they're not green, it means they're deactivated. So here you can see this is the soundboard right here. Basically, you can find all the boards right here. You can see right here, we've got these little knobs. You can increase the volume over here. If you see over here in this little button, this is like the info button, this panel, and it'll basically show you what all of this means. So kick, clap, you've got the target, mixers, you've got these little channels right here. This is like whole different channel, tracks, patterns. You've got the pattern over here. This is snap grid, draw. There's going to be paint, mute, splice, select, and everything. So here you can create patterns, as I said before, and if you want to increase the pattern, you can just simply click on anything and move your mouse up and down. If you have a trackpad, you can use the trackpad, but yeah, you can move the mouse up and down and you can create them. So here you've got your piano roll. This is the piano roll, and this is the channel rack. Here you have the view mixer viewer, which is right here. You've got the plugins, and you've got the tempo taper, and you've got this touch controller as well. Here you've got the one-click audio recording, so you can record audios as well. So yeah, it sounds pretty cool. And here you can move things around. So you've got a bunch of different channels to create. And if you click on this button, you can create a whole new channel, and here you can choose what you want. So you've got fruity granulizer, sampler, bob bass, drum max, fruity envelope controller. And yeah, you got all these different sounds that you can go ahead and use and, create different audios with it. So over here, if you click on this button right here called the play button, it's going to go ahead and play. This is going to be the song, right? But yeah, this is how it looks like. But yeah, over here then you can go ahead and record stuff with this button. But yeah, this is the pad, this is the song button. You can see right here at the top, it says right there, right? But yeah, this is the playlist arrangement right here. If you click over here, clone, rename, add, you can do whatever you want with it, and you should be good to go. And over here you've got your saves button as well. So if you click on save, you can go ahead and export it or save the entire project as well. So there you go. But yeah, this is how you use it. This is how you use FL Studio. And yeah, and if you want to create an account, but click on the sign in button, and over here you can go ahead and unlock more and create an account with it as well. So there you go. This is how you do it. This is how you use FL Studio. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.